Well, hello everybody. I have something pretty exciting to tell you guys. This is I would say, a newly invented instrument that we just finished making. And so it's not my original idea. This idea came from an animated film called The Wingfeather. So about a year ago, I was watching this animated film called The Wingfeather. It comes from the book, and in The Wingfeather, there's this little girl who plays this instrument called the Whistle Harp. And as she plays this sound, it's a harp and a flute put together. These dragons kind of come up from the sea, and honestly, I don't know the full story and the full book, but I was pretty fascinated by the sound, and I just couldn't help but wonder: is this actually possible to make a flute and a harp combined into one? And so I did some sketches and kind of drew some ideas out, and just came here to the shop, and we just went for it. And sure enough, we were able to make something. So I wanted to on this video, I wanted to make a video to show you what it sounds like. So here it is. So I hope you enjoyed the sound, and I just want to give a huge thanks to Andrew Peterson, who is the author of The Wingfeather, and just good job making this idea, just a brilliant idea. And so I'm excited to be able to introduce this instrument to the public, and I hope it's a real blessing and exciting instrument for people to play. So thank you very much.